Dr. Okafor Chidumeje, CEO at OurDrKing Foundation Nigeria, convener, triathlon, the Lupus Day. The Lupus Day.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me start by thanking you profoundly for this medical mission. It means a whole lot to us in Abia.
Dr. Okafor Chidumeje, Dr. King, where is the Chisom Faith? You're all highly welcome. Permit me, therefore, to very warmly recognize and, of course, introduce to you those who are also working hand in gloves with His Excellency, the Governor of Abia State, in achieving the goal of Umuahia Federal Constituency, Honorable Representative Obi Agbocha. You're welcome. Let me recognize also the Special Advisor to His Excellency, the Governor on Health, Dr. Ngozi Azodo. You're welcome. We have here the Honorable Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Sir Uzomwachuku. You're welcome. Honorable Commissioner for Works in Abia State, Engineer Otumchere Oti is also here, so you're welcome. And of course, a member of the Abia State Diasporan Commission, Ambassador Reverend Annie Ono. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
My name is Dr. Okafor Chidumeje, CEO at OurDrKing Foundation Nigeria, convener, triathlon, the Lupus Day. I want to use this opportunity to thank the wonderful people of Abia State in southeastern Nigeria, West Africa, for their hospitality, especially the great and performing governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Oti, for the wonderful dinner that he entertained with. I also want to use this opportunity to educate the people of Abia State on the health benefits of sleeping without clothes. Sleeping naked without clothes, the beauty of it. Sleeping without clothes has lots and lots of benefits, and but we're in a peaceful state, and it will be important for us to know the beauty of sleeping naked without clothes. What are the beauties? So I would want to divide the importance into the sleep advantage, health advantages, obstetric and gynecological advantages, and psychological advantages. So these are the classification of the importance of sleeping without clothes. Okay, the sleep advantages. Sleeping without clothes cools your temperature, your body temperature. And cooling your body temperature helps you to sleep faster. When you sleep in a cool environment, you sleep faster. That is the number one beautiful advantage. Because you all know the beauty and the advantages of sleeping. Okay, so the next advantage is it helps you, it doesn't just help you sleep faster, it helps you to have a good sleep quality. Now, by good sleep quality, I mean it gets you to a level we call rapid eye movement sleep, the dream stage of sleep, the stage where your body and your brain is refreshed. That is one very beautiful part of sleep. Okay, now let's go into the health benefits. All these advantages are interlinked. Coming to health benefits, we'll start with stress and anxiety. When you get a good quality sleep, it helps to relieve anxiety and stress. Imagine having a very stressful day, or something coming up that is so anxious, making you so anxious. Maybe pregnancy, maybe you're pregnant about going for cesarean section or surgery, and you're so anxious, and you sleep. By the time you look up, you look as if the anxiety has been cleared off without taking an anxiety. And then coming to stress, you know that during stress, cortisol, a very dangerous hormone implicated in hyperglycemia, sugar, diabetes mellitus, and also implicated in hypertension. Cortisol is also implicated in hypertension. In fact, it's a stress hormone. That's what we call stress hormone. So this sleeping naked helps to do what? Reduce your stress hormone. The next one which is under the health benefits, is sleeping naked cools your body In cool temperatures, that's when your body is cool, white fat, white adipose tissue is converted to brown adipose tissue. There are two types of fats. These two fats I've mentioned. That white fat is converted into brown fat during cool temperature. And these brown fats undergo what we call thermogenesis. The beautiful thing about brown fat is, even without exercise, brown fat burns fat. So if you're having white fat, you need to exercise before it clears. But when it is converted to brown fat, the brown fat burns fat. It starts burning fat by a process called thermogenesis. And as it's burning fat, it also burns calories. So in effect, brown fat is actually a remedy for obesity. And of course, if there's a remedy for obesity, it now leads to what? It now prevents what? Weight gain. So the next one is it prevents cardiovascular. Sleeping without fluids prevents cardiovascular heart disease and endocrine diseases like diabetes mellitus, especially type 2. Okay, now let's come into psychological effects, importance of sleeping without fluids. The major psychological importance of sleeping without fluids is that it helps to boost self-esteem. Most people, life is full of mockers. Life is full of people that always want to take advantage of your deformity. Lots and lots of people, even educated people, people that are very religious, can pray and pray down the whole heaven. They also want to take advantage of your deformity. Maybe you're too fat, or you're too thin, or you're too shapeless, or you're too shapy. But when you sleep naked, you have time to touch yourself, you have time to feel yourself, to look at yourself, and appreciate God for giving you such a wonderful covering, something to cover your bones and blood. So it makes you boost your self-esteem that, wow, I have a beautiful body. Now going to the obstetrics and gynecological importance. The first one is that sleeping naked with your partner creates bonding, increases libido, and results in increased production. It also helps in reducing infections, genital infections in females, especially infections like yeast and we call candidiasis. Because when you sleep without clothes, you allow enough air to get into your genitals, your vagina. Then, for men, we all know what tight underwear does to your sperm. So sleeping naked allows the testes to be cool, which is an adequate environment for spermatogenesis, thereby reducing low sperm counts. Now, there are 1 million other importance of sleeping without clothes. In fact, Abia State is now more like another Dubai, another republic in Nigeria, with adequate sectors handling all issues. Abia State, for once, you've gotten it right. God bless. Sleep without clothes.